Welcome, I'm using Motorola One Action, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and you will find Reset options, and under here you can see Erase all data, factory reset. Select it, and it will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So in other words, it removes basically everything that you have put on the device after the setup, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it, well, permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on Erase all data. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. I do have a pattern, as you just seen. And once you confirm it, you can tap on Erase all data. And this will begin the process. Now the process will take about like 5 minutes, maybe less. And once it's finished, we'll be then in the setup screen of the Android. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.